Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting your levels right and placing the compressor where it matters, on the drum bus or a single source like kick or snare. Use a 3:1 ratio as a friendly starting point so you control dynamics without squashing life out of the sound. Set attack between 10 and 30 ms to let transient snap through, and release 50 to 150 ms so decay breathes naturally. Once done, set makeup gain to match perceived volume and listen in context. Next, you shape tone and character by adjusting attack and release more precisely. Faster attack tames peaks, slower attack preserves punch. Use parallel compression by sending 30 to 50% to a heavily compressed aux track and blend it under the uncompressed signal to retain transients while adding body. Once balanced, tweak release to control sustain and dial makeup gain to maintain level. Make sure to /B bypass frequently so you hear the effect rather than the For final touches, automate thresholds, attack, or makeup gain to suit different sections so the compressor behaves musically across the song. Check phase relationships and group routing. Soloing drums can trick you, so evaluate in full mix. If you hear unwanted pumping or breathing, lengthen release time, lower the ratio, or reduce threshold. Alternatively, sidechain the compressor to the kick to preserve kick clarity. If things still sound off, bypass and compare. Then reintroduce settings more subtly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.